All right, so got the shaft threaded for the motor. Went to Harbor Freight. Really didn't think this would work. Bought their big standard die set, tapping die set. It's like 80 bucks, 85 bucks, and it actually cut threads. It actually cut more threads than I needed, and the die doesn't appear. Let me look before I say this. Other than the nitride coating being gone, doesn't appear to have any damage. So it actually cut probably 4 inches of threads. I should be able to put a 3/4 tin nut right here, and then maybe a couple behind here, and then possibly a key through the end of the shaft. I may grind some flats on it and drill it and put a key through the shaft then. One thing about it that I didn't like, it does thread on there okay. It's a little bit looser than what I would have preferred. I would have liked a really tight fit, but I don't think it's going to matter. But we'll thread this all the way on. Take a look at it a little closer here. Alright, so a die is not the best way to get threads cut. You can see those aren't the best threads in the world, but nevertheless, I think for our purposes they're going to work. So that's just the this step of the process, and hopefully we'll continue from here.